Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct? No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
Hi guys, welcome to the Greedy Trader channel. Well, I'm not exactly greedy, as most of you old watchers of the channel will testify. I have the most conservative approach to trading. It's just a nice parody idea from the Gordon Gekko mantra. There are only 2 kinds of traders, the greedy ones and the fearful ones.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works.
Those of you who are new to the channel, this is where you can learn how to really trade like a professional. Every video I make is packed with real examples with before and after scenarios, so you can see that it is simply a question of sticking with the plan and not changing it because you're having an emotional meltdown. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best Forex trading strategy you can use no matter what kind of trader you are. Let's face it, there are a ton of videos on YouTube talking about the best Forex strategy, the best win rate strategy. This strategy made me millions, but in reality, most of these people have never traded or simply just don't have the time spent in the market to know what the best Forex strategy actually is. The best trading strategy has to be a strategy that gives any trader the ability to repeat it consistently with a clear expectancy of profit outpacing loss. I will show you with examples and step by step why this strategy is the best strategy for any Forex trader. Step 1. First, make sure you map out all your demand and supply areas. This is particularly easy to do. Just look for all the areas of high volume and you can continue to update this dynamically through the day as new sessions open. This is part of my trifecta approach. Once this is done, we can now move to step 2. Step 2. Learn my trifecta approach. Let me explain. The market runs on a few important principles. Demand and supply, determined by the volume. Liquidity, determined by the availability of orders for the market making engines to seek out. And time, the means by which the market generates liquidity. The trifecta method is taught right here on YouTube for free. Link in the description below. You can also join my free Discord server if you wish to join in the conversation. Look guys, don't ask me if this stuff works. I know it does. I've done it for more than 15 years. I make money and so do the people who've decided to have an open mind and realize that they need a change. Backtest it if you like, but it's up to you to have a little faith. Amen.
Look at yourselves. You know, you pass yourself off as cynical people, but you still have some faith in the system, don't you?
Step 3. Providing you've done step 2, you can begin to look for high probability setups. Let me show you a few examples from today. We can clearly see that at 7 AM, an hour before the London Open, there was the most volume. Remember the second trifecta? This was happening at the highest and lowest price of the day. The market is trading at a premium. This means it has been rising for a few days. So it makes sense that most traders will be sellers as opposed to buyers at those highs. So let's make that assumption. We are also going to leave room for error in case we are wrong, especially as it is clear the lowest price of the day would have drawn in buyers. So let's take an if-then scenario. If the low of the day is broken, I can assume that the buyers are dead. Then I will go short with risk above the supply. You can also see that we had strong supply that was subduing the buyers from the 7th. By tracking the demand and supply picture in the present and also in the past, we can see that a heat map is building. This would be visually apparent if you were using a market profile chart. I have a video about that in the description below. This market was screaming to go short. Let's take a look at what happened next. The market screamed lower on the employment data release. This is definitive proof that news events only act as catalysts to draw in liquidity. You can also clearly see the market ran straight into the demand area we tracked from the 10th. This should have been your exit. It was mine, as you can see from my deal map. Try to put your take profits just before price enters the demand or supply area to guarantee guarantee a fill. The New York Open went on to produce an epic reversal. The volatility would not matter to us as we only trade from discount or premium prices during high liquidity time. In other words, we're being price efficient and would have only held a position in the demand zone. I would expect that this market will soon hit supply and start back towards demand. The ever-played song of the market: there is no such thing as smart money, forex guru, or any other kind of professional in retail trading. There is just everyone, their money, their broker, and their computer. Brokers have the pool of funds and just perpetually bet against everyone. Banks have the liquidity to supply the game, and you have your computer and your brain. Do you really think in this system that there is really so-called smart money? It all comes down to mindset, guts, and sheer will.
Where were we? Oh yeah, your giant man-sized balls.
If you lose 10k on a trade, you might not eat. If the broker loses 10k, someone else covers the loss. If the bank loses the liquidity, the central bank makes more. Everyone else needs to bend over. So if you want to be on the right side of this beautiful lady and receive a slice of heaven, then you need to be efficient. Till my next video, adios.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time it's advantageous to everyone, correct? No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?